Oh my god.
Woo! Yay, yay, yay! Whoa! Hi everyone! Hi guys! I'm here! We're doing this bedroom today.
We got some water in this
What is
jar.
that pencil one?
See, we have this is water, okay? And first we're going to add some baking soda.
Ooh, that's not baking soda.
Yeah, can you add this? And you want to mix it?
With it.
Yeah, can you mix it? Mix. Okay, we mix now. And then we're going to add some corn.
Ooh.
That's okay. See? Corn. Daddy? Okay. Here we have, this is vinegar, okay?
Vinegar.
Vinegar, so we're going to add the vinegar to the tomato. Oh, see? What's happening? What's happening to the...
Wow! Yay, yay, yay!
See? Can you see small water bubbles?
They also been friends together.
Yes. Leah, do you know how these corn kernels go up and down? When we mix baking soda with vinegar, it makes carbon dioxide gas. So you can see these small air bubbles attached to the corn, right? They are carbon dioxide gas. So the corn kernel rise up with these small air bubbles and they fall back when those bubble pops. That's how they go up and down and like a dancing corns.
Wow!